A compelling company location. Augsburg is the innovative business center in the vibrant metropolitan region surrounding Munich. The city of Augsburg is situated directly on the A8 interstate, a main connecting road which is Germany's central east-west axis. Augsburg and its commercial enterprises are at the very hub of Europe. Here, tradition meets innovation in one location, Eberle. For more than 175 years, Eberle has stood for the highest quality, precision and reliability in the manufacturing of strip steel products and metal cutting bandsaw blades. Your Eberle product will always be processed the same way. You define your requirements and we develop and produce the best possible solution for your application. Just see for yourself. Eberle is the only worldwide manufacturer of bandsaw blades which has perfectly mastered the complete range of production technologies, from the processing of hot-rolled strips and the manufacturing of bimetals right up to the production of high-performance saw blades. No matter what material you want to cut with your bandsaw, we will always have the saw blade you need. At Eberle, quality is the top priority. The micro-optical 3D surface measuring instrument allows a non-contact three-dimensional product inspection. In our saw fabrication, we use only bimetals from our own production, thereby guaranteeing excellent cutting tools and considerably longer blade life for your cutting application. The bandsaws are measured and leveled automatically using laser technology. We also use laser technology to produce saw blades with optimum geometrical properties. At the vibration test station, we check the bending strength of the backing material and the butt welds of the metal bandsaw blades. This guarantees the highest possible level of quality. A number of international Eberle subsidiaries take care of our customer relations worldwide, as more than 90% of our customers are located outside Germany. Our global distribution network guarantees a high level of cooperation. For 175 years, we've inspired an industry. Can we inspire you to Eberle?